Danke bafethu. So umdlali we-Kaizer Chiefs lo odlala laphana i-attacking laphana phambili o-creative one-skill ongadlalanga kakhulu this season because of i-injury yabo. So bekhuluma ne-media laphana about i-contract yakhe ukuthi iyaphela nanokuthi-ke ufisa i-Kaizer Chiefs imise kanjani iy'ndaba zakhe ze-contract yabo. So uMatlou uthe yena uyayideserve i-new contract laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, ufila ngathi ngempela uyayideserve i-Kaizer Chiefs kumele imnike. Nawa amagama wakhe straight ukhulume kanje yabo. Uthi yena uthi angasho ukuthi uyaqualify for i-new deal yabo. Uthi yebo ngiyavuma ukuthi bengi-injured but-ke ngeke ngikwazi ukusebenzisa ama-excuse ukuthi ngingadlali kahle, but-ke uthi uyasho ukuthi ama-minutes awadlalile I gave it all. Uyasho ukuthi kusho ukuthi uzimisele kakhulu kulama game lawa awadlalile for i-Kaizer Chiefs noma-ke isikhathi bekanganaso esiningi sokuthi adlale yabo. Uthi personal u-happy the way isizini ihambe ngakhona. Uthi-ke kumele babuye vele babe strong kakhulu balwele i-sport nanokuthi bakwazi ukudlala laphana esquadini yabo. Uthi-ke yena usebenze kanzima kakhulu ngokuzikhandla nanokuthi-ke bamnike i-chance ukuthi adlale futhi laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs after i-injury yakhe yabona. Uthi-ke uthi kumele anike i-team vele i-best of his ability ukuthi i-team ikwazi ukuwina ama-trophies nokunye okuningi yabo. Uthi because i-team efana ne-Kaizer Chiefs eyenze lukhulu for yena yabo, yenze okukhulu, so uthi kumele ababhadale back yabo. So uthi-ke yiyo into ayilindile. This is what I'm looking forward to. Uchaza kanjalo-ke uMatlou laphana umdlali we-Kaizer Chiefs yabo. First half of the season akadlalanga at all because belimele. Ubuyile-ke ngoJanuary, lapho-ke from January to manje umane nje ukudlala ama-match ayi-10 laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs yabona. Ku-DStv Premiership mani ku-Betway Premiership yabo. So azange akore, azange assiste, and then-ke ku-Nedbank Cup udlale kawu-5 times yabo. Lapho ashaye khona ama-assist awu-2. Sikhumbule nale assist la eshaya against iMamelodi Sundowns yabo. So all in all iplayer-ke ne-agent lakhe abakakhulumi nange-new deal ne-Kaizer Chiefs. Kusho ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs akakabi sure ukuthi yamgcina umfana noma uyahamba, but-ke uthi yena senze enough yabo for i-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi ikwazi ukumnika i-deal. Ucabanga ukuthi uyaqualifya noma uyayideserve le deal le? Angazi nina bafethu ngicabangani ngalo mdlali ukuthi uyayideserve na i-deal. So but-ke la kuthiwa kuzoya ngo-Coach Nabi ukuthi u-Coach Nabi usamfuna umfana u-impress ngama-performances wakhe yabo, ngoba all in all lo mdlali lo this season udlale ama-match awu-15 yabo, njengoba abuyile udlale 10 plus-ke nalawa awu-5 waku-Nedbank Cup. Danko bafowethu, sobona ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi izodicide-ani no-Coach Nabi ngalo mdlali lo othi yena uyayideserve ini i-renewal laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Danko bafowethu. Mabo ufuna ukuphaka or ukuchaja? Oh.